Hi, Plymouth Rider here. Welcome to Desperado's HQ, the home of Plymouth Rider. A quick update on my forthcoming North Coast 500 adventure. I've started packing, which is going well. My clothes have been split into 4 cubes, which will all in turn fit into my Aqua 50. I've also packed the panniers and split the load between the two. Is about just under 4 kilograms in each pannier, so that's coming along quite well. I'm pleased with that weight. Most other stuff will go outside on the luggage rack, tent, sleeping bag, that sort of stuff. And then for quick easy access, I've got a cargo net where I'll stick my waterproofs, because as they say, if you can't see the hills in Scotland, it is raining, and if you can see the hills, it is going to rain. I'll be leaving Plymouth on the 8th of September, and I've given myself a window of 13 days to get this little adventure done. So hopefully, all being well, I'll be back on the 21st. A quick shout out to Mark Schubert and his wife from YouTube channel Lean Into the Wind, and also Rich and Eva from On the Road Adventures, from whom I've drawn quite a bit of inspiration and some brilliant top tips. So please do check out those two channels, they're well worth a look. And I'm thinking my next update will probably be when I'm loading up the bike in a little under 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, bye. Don't get lost or squashed, by the way.